today we're going to be taking a look at these watches, which are Citizen Fugu models. Now you have the green variant here on the left and the black dial variant on the right. Now functionality wise these are exactly the same watch, only difference obviously is just the colourway. But like I say, I'll show you these details, these watches, sorry, in a little bit more detail. But let's start with the black one. So, as I mentioned, Citizen Fugu. The reference for this watch is NY0130-83E, and say it is Citizen Fugu, so automatic watch containing the caliber 8204. Now, the previous version of this watch contained the 8203. The only difference between the two is that this now has a hacking function, so a little bit more value added there, which is nice to see from Citizen. While we are talking about the watch, I just do want to mention starbuy.com.au, who loaned us this watch. Thanks so much, guys, for your support. And as per usual, if any of you are interested in purchasing this watch, then please do take a look in the description. I'll put a link in there so you can go and check out the watch on their site. Now, in terms of specifications, as you can see there on the dial, 200 meters water resistance. So this watch is certainly capable of going down to the depths, and as long as you have this screw down crown set up, then you never fear, the watch is going to stay nice and watertight for you. One of the unique things about the Fugu models is this bezel. As you can see, it sort of has this sloped rounding effect, but then these knurled pieces, which are a lot more grippy than what you would expect on, a Seiko or a similar equivalent watch. The bezel movement, look, what's really interesting about this is I don't think the bezel movement doesn't feel fantastic. It doesn't feel cheap in any way. It's just solid. But what I do notice is it's got very little back play in it compared to other watches. So it's something a little bit different than what I normally see on dive watches. As I mentioned, this screw down crown here, very good functionality here. It has the knurled engraving, so that you can really get a grip to it with wet hands. It is very, very good to grip, and as you can see there, it does have the Promaster logo on it. Okay guys, so let's take a look at the green version now. Now you can see there, I've just got it in a certain light, and you can see that green dial and the green bezel. Turn it this way and it looks black. So guys, if this sounds really funny, but if you're looking at getting a green watch but you're a little bit put off by the fact that it's green, and I know that doesn't make sense, but hopefully you understand what I'm trying to say here. This watch in certain lights will be very, very green, Kermit green actually, and in other lights goes black. So if that's something that you're interested in, then do go and check this watch out. And this is what this is the reason why I do these videos, guys, because on the face of it, you look at the imagery, even on Starbuy's website, and you'll see that green dial, but it doesn't reflect what it looks like in real life. And you can see there, I mean, look at that just looks like black. It's only when you get it to there can you see a little bit of green on the dial, and there where you can see it on the bezel and the dial, and it just changes. I mean, it's like a magic trick. Black, green, black, green. Anyway, guys, I really hope that you've enjoyed this review. Like I say, if you do have any questions, please put them in the comment section, and I will endeavour to get back to you as quickly as I can. Like I say, these watches, I really like them. They're just good tool watches, and they do what they say they do, and they do it damn well. I like I say, I really like the fact that this bracelet is brushed and it's just functional, nothing more, nothing less. And Citizen put some real thought into these watches, just even down to this bezel here. Yes, you'd go, oh, you know what, that smooth bit doesn't help, but when you actually go to move it, you slide on the smooth bit and then you hit the knurled parts and you turn, and they're really grippy. I think there's a lot of thought that's gone into this watch, but it's also just made it, Citizen have made it just to be, thought free. It's just a good solid watch, and like I say, I'm really impressed by it. Solid end link, screw down crown, sapphire crystal, wears much smaller than the 44 mils. That screw down crown and a 200 meters water resistance, bang for buck in my opinion. Anyway guys, take care. I hope you're all looking forward to the Christmas break, and please stay tuned because we may have some special offers for you coming up for Christmas. So with that in mind, then please don't forget to subscribe, click for notifications, and we'll see you on the next video shortly. Cheers guys, take care.